Welcome back to Doing It with Jason. I'm Jason, and I haven't made videos in a long time. Well, a lot has happened recently. I got a new job, got a divorce, and so much more. That being said, I am here today to show you something really cool. Ew, no, not that. It's a coupon code. The user of this coupon code will get free shipping at woodworkerexpress.com for 2 days only. For today, April 29th, and tomorrow, April 30th only. No matter how big or small of your order, you will get free standard ground shipping. Now, this is a really big deal because woodworkerexpress.com rarely offers free shipping due to their pricing being so low. Wood glue, free shipping. Need a third hand? Free shipping. Want instant bonding? Free shipping. Need to cover up your mistakes? Free shipping. Need to measure and mix stuff together? Free shipping. Want to open your cabinets in style with a premium soft close drawer slide? Free shipping. Need a new tool or two? Free shipping. Now, honestly, woodworkerexpress.com has pretty much everything for the woodworker, homeowner, including Rev-A-Shelf kitchen organization. Now, this along with thousands upon thousands upon thousands of other products, all on our website with free standard shipping. All you have to do is use coupon code JASONAPRIL for today, April 29th, and tomorrow, April 30th. After that, that coupon code will disintegrate and no longer will you get free shipping, but you still will get amazing pricing. Now, the website that is open 24/7 is woodworkerexpress.com. And if you need any help at all with your order, they have a toll-free number with live customer service agents that actually know stuff about woodworking and hinges. They can help you find what hinges you need. So be sure to use this feature if you need any help at all, or leave a comment and question down below, and I'll be more than happy to try to answer that for you and point you in the right direction. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon, I am sure.